What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As promised in one of my previous videos last week, I am back again with another Primark haul, and this time around, this one is dedicated all to swimwear. We're gonna be trying out bikinis, we're gonna be trying out swimsuits, and also some beach accessories, so I'm really excited for today's video. I don't actually have any summer holidays planned. Like, I am not going abroad this year. I'm going abroad next year, which I'm very excited about. So sadly, no pool days for me, but let me know if you guys are going on holiday anywhere, and hopefully some of these pieces will be suitable. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you guys want to hear the tea on what the Primark swimwear is like, then without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so I have two full bags of goodies to show you guys. I cannot wait. There's honestly so many pieces that I picked up, but we're going to be starting off with one of the more colorful kind of bikinis, and that is this one. I don't know why, but this just instantly caught my eye. I love the color on it. It is completely covered in this floral pastel sort of like pattern. I got this in a size S because I really didn't want the cups to just feel really small and have like the bust kind of splurging out. It's got adjustable straps and it has inbuilt padding, which is amazing. They are not removable, so you know, when they start going a little bit manky inside, you're just probably gonna have to like cut a seam and change them over. But yeah, this top was only £2.50, which is honestly such a bargain. Annoyingly, they didn't really have any matching bottoms to this pattern, which would have been really nice, but they did have these, which were right next to these. So I'm not too sure if they were intended to be like together as a set, but I mean color-wise, like the pink flowers do match the pink on the bottom, so I guess so. So as you can see, this is a thong ruched bikini bottom. I'm not gonna lie, I don't love a thong bikini. I just feel like it's a little bit too revealing for me, but I still really wanted to pick these up just because I really love the color and also the sort of like little bow on the side. These were only £4. That is absolutely amazing, and I got these in a medium. Now, when I went into the sort of like cover-up section, I also found this, which is kind of like a cover-up beach shirt, and it's literally made in the exact same pattern as the bikini top. So I felt like I had to get both of these. I mean, come on, they will make such a cute outfit together. So let's try all of these together and see how they fit. All right, guys, so here is the very first bikini set. I am so loving it. The shirt, first of all, it is so fun. It's very floaty and breezy. I think it's perfect for like a beach holiday. You can obviously like do it up, and I think it actually covers you up pretty well. The fit of both the top and the bottoms is really good. Like, even though I got these in a size medium, which normally probably would be too big for me, I do think in this case it actually worked out well, just because you can obviously tighten these up however much you want in the waistline, but being a size medium, it just means that probably the fabric area is a lot larger, which for me is not a bad thing. Like, I like being covered up. There's nothing more that I hate than having like a tiny little triangle on the front. Like, that is not covering up anything. So the bikini bottoms are perfect. The top half is really well fitted as well. I like how modest it is. Like, it doesn't show too much cleavage. The straps are adjustable, even though I didn't have to like do anything to them. And the padding gives me a lot of like security and also a little bit of a lift. So I am really liking this whole outfit. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna have to give everything about a 9. All right, now moving on to the next bikini, we have this one, which is so freaking adorable. It's like a bandeau kind of look. It's got this really cool sort of like wooden clasp right in the middle. This, as you can see, was only £7. That is such a steal, and I got this in a size 12 to 14, which I'm hoping isn't going to be too big. Sadly, this was the only size they had left in the top, and I really wanted to try it out for this video. And then for the bottoms, I picked up these, which are really nice and simple. They were £5. I got these in a small, and I really like the fabric on this. It's kind of like a crinkled sort of fabric. I really liked the sort of like natural beachy kind of vibe because of like that clasp in the middle. So when I saw this beach cover-up dress, I just knew I had to get it as part of this whole outfit. It's essentially kind of like a white cotton kind of dress. It's very loose, but look at the top. It's got tiny little like shells and also these little tassels attached to it. The actual straps on this dress are made of like a braided kind of rope, and I really love this. I mean, look how cute they are. They've even got the little shells attached to them. This whole dress is just very floaty, and I just loved the beachy kind of natural vibe of it. I then went a little bit mad with this like boho kind of aesthetic, and I did also pick up this hat, which to be honest, I'm not regretting because I think it's such a cute hat. I'm not normally a hat person, but this straw hat is honestly everything. I think it's so cute. How much was this? This was £8. That is not bad at all. So let's go try this whole boho kind of outfit together. All right, guys. So first up, I thought I would show you guys the bikini without the cover up and then the cover up over the top afterwards. I'm also wearing the hat because I'm obsessed with it. Right, so the bikini, it fits really nicely as you can see. I'm actually starting to think that in bikinis, I might actually be a size small rather than an extra small because I'm finding that it fits me so much better. The extra smalls are always like really nice and tight and secure, which is definitely what you want. However, the cup sizes are always so small on those for me. So I think this being a medium, it's honestly a perfect fit, which I kind of struggle with sometimes when it comes to bikinis. Anyways, the bikini top is covering me up perfectly. It's staying up. It also has like a really nice lining across the top here in like a silicone kind of beading that makes it so that it doesn't kind of slide down. As for the bikini bottoms, they literally fit me perfectly. I am so happy that I got this size. So yeah, that's what the bikini looks like on its own. Now let's try it with the cover up. Okay, I'm sorry, but is this not the cutest bikini cover up you've ever seen? It's literally like a full-on beach dress. I'm obsessed with this. I feel like this whole outfit is giving like beachside with a book. I've got my life together, drinking a glass of wine. That's what this is giving, and I am here for it. I've never owned a beach cover-up in this kind of style, but I just love how flowy it is. I am easily giving this whole outfit a 10 out of 10. Now, as a huge contrast to the previous one, we now have a swimsuit, and this time it is black. First of all, I mean, look at the shape. I absolutely love the shape of this swimsuit. I think it's gonna look so flattering on. The neckline is everything. I love this ruched kind of detailing across the bust. It's got inbuilt like padded cups in it, so you don't have to worry about like having nipples on show. The straps look really sturdy as well. I mean, look how thick they are. And also the back is pretty covered, so I feel like this would be a very family friendly kind of swimsuit. I again got this in a size small, and this one was £12. So let's go pop it on and see what it's like. All right, this one is so nice, you guys. It is literally giving body. I'm so impressed with how well it is fitting everywhere. Dare I even say it, but it's kind of giving me like Skims vibes. I feel like sometimes the best swimwear is like the most plain, and I feel like that's definitely the case with this one. It's nice and simple. It's only got this tiny little bit of detailing across here with that ruching sort of effect, but other than that, it is literally so plain, but it just works. It feels so comfortable. I could totally see myself wearing this at the pool or going in the sea. But yeah, it just feels really nice on. It makes me feel really like confident. So I'm liking this. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 again. Returning back to the bikinis, we are now going to be trying out this one, which honestly, the second I saw this, I fell in love with it. I absolutely love this like black sort of stitching slash edging. I think it looks really cool. It just kind of gives this whole triangle bra a whole new like vibe. Do you know what I mean? The stitching continues all across the back as well, and I think it's just gonna look so cute. It's again got padding inside, which is great, and this one is in a size S, and it was £8. Again, such a steal. I just feel like this will fit really well. I then also got the matching bottoms, and I kind of wish that the stitching would sort of continue across here. Maybe that would look weird. I don't know. I got these in a medium because they didn't have any other size, so I guess we'll see. My sizing in Primark when it comes to swimwear is always gone, no matter what time of day, no matter what time of week I go. They never have my size. These bottoms were only £6, so let's go try them on together. All right, guys, so here is the next bikini. Honestly, I have to say, I am loving this one. Not only is it not too revealing in my opinion, it just fits really well. I'm so happy that I actually sized up on the actual natural bra. I'm so happy that I actually sized up on the bikini top because I feel like the cups fit me really nicely. They're not too small. They are covering the sides and the front really well, but still I had the option to like make it tighter across the top so it's nice and up. As for this part here, it actually feels pretty tight, like it feels very, very secure. Moving on to the bikini bottoms, they actually fit really, really well. You can obviously wear them normally as you would across your hips like that, or you could have them slightly higher like this, which I kind of like. So overall, I'm very impressed with both of these items. They fit great and they were so affordable. Right, now moving on to the next one, we're now going to be trying out another swimsuit, and honestly, I really, really like the pattern and print on this. It's kind of like a jungly, leafy sort of vibe. I really like the color scheme. And I've said this before, but I'm not normally one to wear green. So yeah, this is definitely very interesting. I got this in a size extra small because they finally had my size in this particular one, which I was very pleased about. This one was £10. It's still got the same like cups built in. It's got adjustable straps. And again, style-wise, it's pretty full on the back. So I'm really, really happy with that. Now, not too far from this suit, I actually saw this really cute like brown beach cover up, and I felt like it would go really nicely with this particular one. This is what it looks like. I know it doesn't really look like much, but it's like a very floaty, semi-sheer kind of beach cover up. It's really, really cute. I love the fact that they have, again, used this like braided kind of rope effect. It definitely makes it look very earthy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I feel like, you know, if you're wandering around the beach, maybe getting some food or a drink, you could totally use that to cover yourself up just a slight. This bikini cover up is £15 and I got this in an extra small. And now the very last item for this particular look that I picked up is a bag. You guys are not ready for how cute this one is. 3, 2, 1. It is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It looks so expensive, but it really wasn't. It was only £14, and honestly, I just love it so much. It's a really handy size. It's got a long strap as well as a short strap, and I feel like this is the perfect sort of beach bag, summer picnic bag, all sorts. Let's go try the whole outfit on together and see what it's like. Guys, this one genuinely fits me like a glove. What is happening? I am so impressed with how this is looking. It is very, very comfortable again. I feel a lot of support in the bust area. The straps are amazing. Like, they're very, very stretchy. Like, can you see that? And the pattern is totally covering up the fact that I'm very, very bloated right now. So that's good. Yeah, I'm really, really liking this one again. It's very, very comfortable. It is, again, quite covered up in the back. So I'm definitely feeling like this one would be great to like take on a family holiday. Let's try it on with the cover up in the bag as well. Okay, now that is a vibe. I am really liking this whole combo. I quite actually like the fact that it's quite sheer so you can still see the pattern underneath. I feel like that looks quite stylish in this case, but still my feminine urge is just feeling like this should totally be paired with like a nude or beige kind of bikini underneath. That would be such a look. You guys know me, I'm obsessed with my neutrals. I really am, and I'm not sorry. As for the bag is great. I've said it 1,000 times. I feel like it really complements this brown as well. I do think it would also look amazing with the first white like cover up, the dress one. Oh my gosh. Chef's kiss. So again, I am very happy with this whole look. Every single item is deserving of a 10 from me. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot that you can actually cinch in the sides. Let me just quickly do that because I feel like it'll give me even more shape. Oh, I absolutely love it. A cinch it yourself kind of clothing item. It's always the best. All right, guys, so that was everything for today's Primark swimwear haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments which one of these items or outfits was your favorite. I have to say my favorite was probably the one with the sort of like boho hat as well as, you know, the rest of it. I did also really like the black one. It was a very good fit. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely let me know by smashing that huge thumbs up down below so I can make more. I have just purchased Kylie Jenner's Kai like latest swimwear drop, so as soon as that comes, I'll also be reviewing that. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. I hope you guys are all well, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.